That's my son and my rabbit son interacting. And the rabbits are so cute, yeah, so cute. They're just like the cutest, no? You can sit and play with them all day. Ayush has a chance to sit in the car, just sit with the rabbits, baby rabbits on his lap, and drive towards high tech city where I might be taking him to a mall, or for I wanted to take him for indoor scuba diving, but this young man is choosing not to be with his mother and go for these exciting places. Instead, he'd rather just be baking in the sun by going in the metro train rather than go with these cute, adorable cutie pies and go to.
You know that mommy will get angry at me and this Google Maps if she wants to go to a cafe, right?
So, but once we go there, this child eats something and says, "This is the best pizza I've eaten.
Mommy,
This is the best."
I don't think you
Yes.
let me eat in the first place.
What?
I don't think you let me eat in the first place.
Really, honey? See, even that rabbit looks confused.